Hey Jettie Rockers, welcome to Jettie Rocks Fishing. Well, tonight we're going to do another catch, clean, and cook, and we're going to be doing cobia. I was out the other day fishing with my good friend Captain Corey Simmons and his co-captain Melissa Leone. We're aboard the On the Hook charters out of Daytona Beach and out of Ponce Inlet, and we had a great day offshore, guys. So I'm going to put a link up here, probably up here or somewhere on this video, so you can go check out that full video, because it was just an awesome trip, y'all. We caught a lot of nice fish. Summer caught a massive kingfish. I got a cobia. Amber caught a cobia. Summer caught a cobia. It was just a great trip, guys. So real quick, y'all, check out this clip of me catching this cobia. Then I will see you guys at the cleaning table. Then we'll see you in the kitchen, y'all. We're gonna make something good today. Really good. I think this is probably another little jack. I'd take a guess. That's what it is.
Oh, you can turn it up. Oh man, we left the line. Oh, he's got a nice king.
You got king. No, it's a cobia. It's a cobia. It's a cobe.
Okay. That's a king.
And there's another cobe. There's another cobe next to it.
Hold on. Wait, heads up, watch out. I got the gap here. Hold on.
There's two cobia.
Oh,
two cobia.
Oh my god. I'm trying, but he's...
And I got a tangle in my line.
Yep. Ooh, watch the ladder.
You come this way. I'm trying to put the jig in for the other one. Where's the other guy? Hey, buddy. Hey.
All right, Corey.
Oh my god.
Jig it, Melissa.
I am jigging at you.
What are you gonna say? Alright, just hold on tight, buddy.
Yeah. Got him. That's a legal one. All right, cool. Woo! Come on, Corey. Awesome. Did the other one go away? All right, y'all. Well, I got my big old cobia here. Really nice looking fish. We're gonna go ahead and clean one up. It's been a while since I've actually cleaned a cobia. So I'm gonna go ahead and make 2 incisions around the head. It's about like that. I'm gonna come in here. I'm gonna go along this backbone. And cobia is what you consider a round fish, so they have a round backbone, so you have to go around that. Pop through right here, go up the tail. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're just going to slide this knife along this backbone. We're going to peel this meat back. Just like that. Just like that, guys. We're going to go around this rib cage. Just like that. So I can cut through here. There we go. And we're going to come up here like this. Go on that rib cage. And voila. There's a big old cobia fillet. Alright, well I got my nice cobia fillet here, still with the skin on. So I'm going to go ahead and take the skin off real quick. I'm just going to start right here in the corner. Just run right along that skin. And it comes off pretty easy, guys. Just like that. Fairly easy fish to skin. And there you go, there's that. We'll get rid of that. Now I'll go ahead and take out these rib portion right here. Just like that. Take that out. You can just feel the bones in it. Take out what you need, guys. A little bit of that belly portion right here. There we go. Got the bones out. Clean it up. And we will chunk some of this up for the stray cats we got around here. Got Charger, Pussfoot, Cheeto, and a couple other ones I don't even have names for. Oh. Go ahead and give this to them. Alrighty. So now what we're going to do, guys, is we're going to cut most of this bloodline out, which is fairly easy. Just come right in here. Just cut this long. And there you go. Now that piece is out. Got a little bit of pin bone right there, a little bit of bone. And there you go, guys. A nice little steak, chunk, fillet, whatever you want to call it, cobia. Alright, here we're going to come along, trim this off. There you go, guys. It's awesome. A little bit more right here. There we go. There you go, guys. That is some nice looking cobia meat. Alright, well, I'll see you guys in the kitchen. Alright, y'all. Well, we got some nice pieces of cobia here. Two nice little chunks. And what we're going to do is we're going to slice them into little tiny medallions. About like that, guys. So we're going to cut a whole bunch of those. Alright, there we go. That's what we're looking for. Alright, well, we got all our little cobia medallions all cut up. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and salt them with some sea salt. And we're also going to be putting some black and redfish magic on them. Oop. That little thing's gone in there. I'm just going to move all those around, get them all nice and coated. Okay, like that. Just a little bit on each one. And then we're going to get some oil started, but we're not going to use just any oil. We're going to be using something pretty cool, guys. Okay, let me go wash my hands and I'll get back with you. Okay, well, I got a pan here heating up. And what we're going to use today is some toasted sesame oil. This stuff is awesome. We use this a lot for shrimp and scallops. But we're going to try it for the first time. I'm going to try it with some fish. I have an idea that's going to taste really good. We're also going to make like kind of like a garlic butter sauce to go over it. And that should be really good, guys. Okay, guys, our oil is getting nice and hot. Let's put a little bit of water in there to make sure when it gets hot enough it starts popping like that. So we're going to take our little medallions. We're going to set them in here. And if you've ever used this oil before, you'll notice when it gets hot, it smells outstanding. It smells like somebody's roasting peanuts or something in the oven. It is absolutely outstanding smelling. So we're going to go ahead and put a few of these in here. We're just going to get them golden brown on each side. Not going to cook them really long, maybe about a minute and a half on each side. That should be all it should take. And we're going to put them in this little container right here, and then we're going to make the sauce. All right, we're going to flip them over. Like that. It doesn't really take a whole lot of time for this stuff to cook because they're kind of thin. I wish I had smell-o-vision, guys, because that smells outstanding, and it looks pretty good too. Okay, well, my last little batch is done here, so let me go ahead and take them out. I'll put them in this little container I have here with the other ones. So we're ready for them. If you guys have never eaten cobia, let me tell you something. That is an outstanding fish. Okay, well now I'm going to go ahead and get the other pot in here ready, and we'll start making some garlic butter sauce. Okay, once my pan gets up to temperature, we're going to be using 1 stick of some real salted butter, a whole bunch of garlic cloves, just peeled. You can even leave the ends on because you're just using these to flavor the butter. And then also, I need some parsley. Okay, well my butter is starting to melt, so I'm going to go ahead and add in my garlic. All my garlic. Just let this sit here and cook. Once the butter all melts, and you really start smelling the garlic really strong, we'll add in the parsley. Okay, well now the whole house smells like garlic, and the butter is starting to get a little golden color. So we're going to go ahead and put in the parsley. Actually, Amber likes a lot of parsley, so I'll go ahead and put a lot in there. So we got a lot of parsley in there. I'll stir that around a little bit. And that butter's starting to get that golden color. That's what you want. And it's okay if it starts frothing up like that. Real butter will do that. I wouldn't use margarine in this at all. I would only use real butter to do this. Alright. Well, now that we're at that point, I'm going to go ahead and put a little Chef Paul's Redfish Magic in here. Just a little bit. A little more than that. Alright. And now I'm going to go ahead and add all these back in for just a little bit. Alrighty. Get all that butter all over them. Just like that, guys. Alright, I'm going to turn the heat off. I'm going to let them sit in here for just a minute. Doesn't that look awesome, y'all? Holy moly. And it smells fantastic. I mean, look at that. And that's what you want, guys. You want that butter to get kind of golden brown. And holy moly. I hope you like garlic, though. Hope you really like garlic. Alright, guys. Well, I got my dinner here. I got some broccoli. My little cobia medallions, or whatever you want to call them. A little garlic butter cobia. Here we go, guys. That's what it looks like. Man. Holy cow. Broccoli's good too. Well, oh my Lord. Guys, let me tell you something. That right there is incredible. I mean, if there's a next level beyond stupid good, that's it. That's like mind-blowing good. So first time I've done it this way with fish, but I've done scallops and shrimp like this a lot. We love doing scallops this way. Big ocean scallops like this is phenomenal. It just came to me the other day, why don't I try some cobia? After we caught that cobia, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna try that because that kind of meat's kind of tough. Not real tough, but it's kind of a firm meat. It doesn't fall apart. It would take really good doing that. Holy man. Wow. That's next level. Next level. Y'all catch a cobia or any other fish that you think would hold up to that, you need to try it. That is awesome. I am not kidding you. That is incredible. Wahoo would be awesome like that. I bet you even king mackerel would be good like that. I think that would be really good. I think I may try that next. That is phenomenal. Phenomenal. I hope you like garlic though. If you don't like garlic, don't do that, because that is garlicky. But I love garlic. My whole family loves garlic. Well guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me today and doing this catch and cook. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys learned a new way of cooking fish. Not a traditional way, but hey, it works. It's really good. It's delicious. I hope you guys give it a shot. And until I get to see you all here on the water pretty soon, y'all, tight lines, Jettie Rockers. And as always, thank you so much for all your comments, your thumbs up, and all your interaction that you give me on the videos. I appreciate you guys very much. Hey Jettie Rockers, thank you very much for watching this video. And I'd like to invite you all to go follow me on my Facebook page at Jettie Rocks Fishing, and also my Instagram page. I also have a JRF apparel page, which will send you a link to my Teespring page, where I have some cool shirts and some mugs. I appreciate you guys very much. Or check out the description in the bottom of this video. I'll have the links. Tight lines, Jettie Rockers.